They think Serwaa is going to respond to the stupid, trashy, irrelevant nonsense out there that is occupying the thoughts of useless people. No, we have better things to do with our time.
Open our bedroom. Honestly, what vibrator? Every woman for Fitz stand and fight for Serwaa Amihere for this thing. She's a whole role model.
Moon sorry na moon share news no.
Sake of money, girls they chop monkey oh.
Serwaa Amihere is saying to one year.
The bullying is just too much. Mr. Munjano na mo money dinda. Picture na me hun. I don't know if she's the one. Mo dia mo ya wo mfi obi nim.
Serwaa Amihere is still trending in the news wherever you are, wherever you find yourself. Everyone is talking about Serwaa Amihere. Any bedroom, semi-bedroom video be about better abontin. Only one guy be a friend no Henry Fitz. For the past 2 days, Nina a video na se pictures no circulating with social media and so. Na ebra assembly see no mixed reactions across celebs. Among for people na kase true support. Edema Serwaa na asem no ba ye no so ne ehwe ni mu ase ne madam. Eye na na ba na mo bebe kasa wo ho sister yi abe react wo ho atro strong one akeka brofo akese. Ladies and gentlemen, before I be consem ne so make am for Abigail Moatin e de amount say Abigail digital marketing expert. Abigail benam digital business yi so a kire okwan obefa so aye bi enye sikade egu botom. E say digital business no anaba enti mo amwo abrochire mo amwo akwantu mo amwo ya manfo adwuma upese onye sikade egu botom behwe fie a contact Abigail number na eda screen so no friend no test no WhatsApp na ne monko mo beto ne boase a kire digital process no wa beka busu ekuo hu wa yibia nya sikade egu botom ba bia wo bia obetumi aye digital business ya obetumi monitor control eno anso obenya wo phone strong internet na bibia etumi edimu visiting website amwatin Abigail online register within phone number obeto ne boase a contact na bibia etumi edimu. For the past 2 days ni ana Serwaa Amihere odi na kotini bebre na ama GH1 sister air trendy na for the past 2 days ni na video bi ebeto internet kasa homa no social media highway ni so ne be hu se Serwaa Amihere eda guy bi eche friend Henry Fitz na guy no efe na no so no fu sumuchi no na nya asem keto akra ye de ho ama ne bono abro fiti enane enu anyina na ye de videos ni bi enso e de akire nti ukoye page wo ana so ukoye previous videos ni mu a ubohu dia eko na ebra asem no eban Ghana fo bebre alashi Serwaa Amihere se uye amanfo role model nti ye wo pressure bi wo ha ye mambeto social media ene ya ukura 200 cedis obetumi making live by reality no obekom na enye sa ema amanfo bebre na enam so akasa ewo ho. One of the girls and as a guys akasa ewo ho ye Efia post video bi ewo app on so TikTok na Efia says sick of money girls they date monkey. Who is the monkey and who is the girls? Yenti Efia video ni bi emra.
Sake of money, girls they chop monkey oh. Hey! The pressure to belong is real. Girls they chop monkey just to belong. Haibo!
Ebusia Efia video ni bi ni akwahwe ede abano. One of friend monkey no ebra video no Serwaa Amihere video no eba ye no guy na oni Serwaa akwatwempena somewhere 2019 no baby no ye friend no Henry Fitz ono ano ne Serwaa Amihere dating for 5 months pe guy ni be kire mu say ebra mu date ye no everyday bia no ma Serwaa Amihere 2500 na ebra video no so ba wo hwe de wa guy no ejina ho slim metro ono no da screen so no watumi aso Serwaa mu woso to no bonyagadu se magadu so na chese bibi wo be mani mu pa ne ye se be mai utumi fa Serwaa fapa ofana ma no ho sepe no feeling ba motete ne nantam slade no piskololo no v shape no ode yadwuma ma Serwaa kora ho ba enti ono na manfo ka se Serwaa pa na me chale sika na ade mini enti na oni guy we ekotwempre enti amanfo bebre tag guy no as monkey sin metro no ono no mo friend monkey na Efia erefe no girls ni de enim se na Serwaa Amihere ne girls ni Serwaa Amihere na nkase emu no eno obi ebishato wale enso abekasa ewo ho kire mu se asem na aba no yentro support your bar true support efama Serwaa Amihere.
Open our bedroom. Honestly, what vibrator? Every woman for Fitz stand and fight for Serwaa Amihere for this thing. She's a whole role model and she's bound to have sex. She's not an angel. She's supposed to have sex to lubricate the body so that she look more beautiful. You this guy, the video with the watch, it be old video. And you can't release on 2024. Make you see like champion. You say everybody GP no arrest you.
And you no nko a. Asem ne ba ye no, one of the girls ani ye hwe animu aso be kasa ewo ho. Eye nanaba anamoa. Unim say nanaba anamoa nso ana ede introduce Serwaa Amihere into the game system and say eye entertainment industry na say eye journalism industry no otete eye Serwaa Amihere. na asem ne ba he no ene Serwaa Amihere aba live abe klekle ne ma bia ne ekutie no mni wura wan hyeda mbodin na Serwaa Amihere abe kasa ukohwe video na ubehu
Sorry na mun share news no. This morning there are lots of things that we're going to be talking about. Anytime you see me wearing red means I want to have some sort of energy.
Nana Abena mwanso abekasa echire so omuni time amebe time ni okeba wie noko mientin kran no but Nana Abena mwa bekasa omuni time a omuni be mixed reactions omuni be kasa ye video wo ho omuni sa stupid time any brofo akesi a rich kontumble
Over 1,000 people have put into Serwaa's Instagram. What they think Serwaa is going to respond to the stupid, trashy, irrelevant nonsense out there that is occupying the thoughts of useless people. No, we have better things to do with our time.
Thank you.
Awusia Nana Abena mwanso de no ani eja wadwenya asem kito internet ni so aye de na asamne ba ya ye din ya ye hwe amanfo nsemo mo keka Stacy amwatin mu nyina uko social media pages na ubohu se trend fela makafo mu nyina react ewo ho one of the entertainment broadcasters in so kasa wo ho Efia Pokuya Vim lady sister abe pusi echire mu se nsema ye kafa se wa ho nyina no ye hwe ye fi se wa hwe ye kura na yakoma na pressure wa hwe ye kura na yakoma na akoye depression ne se funny face di ni bi nwa de boni a Serwaa Amihere wa ya teze de bia ne aso gya ne de agusi sister iso Ghana for ye nsema ehhehye ye dem kura entumi nkan nti we no efo na enyo mase mu bi fo de mu fa ho be ye nkotie Efia Pokuya Vim lady nsem ne bi emra
Ghana for che Serwaa Amihere se nti onye yede onye. I've seen these pictures near them. Maybe almost a video. I don't want to see it, but I just feel like it's too much. Yeah, bully no. Mbe mam obi ba wenya depressed. Aden. Minim de wa yen krofo. Minim de Serwaa Amihere ayemo. Amo mani dinda kakre. Mo see LGBT law. Mo see yenye ena yemba ni obia. The only Obama so and also so a problem and and morality now. I moral police for. Are we moral police? Say the any check it the cost will be there when you be mpem. So why don't we leave it to God? Charlie, there are things that are really above our pay grade. All the entire Ghana leaders in baby take care for granted no. Because there are issues that we must waste our time on. Your rules, taxes, juma. These are but obiba. Oh. Just my heart goes out to the young woman. The bullying is just too much. Mr. Munjano na mumani dinda. Picture na mehun. I don't know if she's the one, but I don't even care. Like it's not Ghana here was Cyber Security Act 2020. Who purported say would distribute you obi intimate picture. When you pakwana will distribute it, whether now you be laptop now phone and now you will be phone. And now who do home picture no who distributor a criminal fact. Mami take advantage because it's just too much. Man would the uncle baby no my so depressed don't be per se or die in home crown. It's just too much. Me am think me tete mano. Na said a daddy lumba born in your maybe you can see enke tututua ke na man kebeti timti. Mo dia mo ya mu fi obinim. Nobody cares. Intiade na mo no so enye free. There will be also an what problem. Between the parties say, why? Ne trendy her. Sister, you could be there, didi. Check our schools, obey them Christian idea. Yes, Ramo. Cyber Security Act, no, section 67A. Or say, a person shall not, with intent to cause serious emotional distress, intentionally distribute or intentionally cause another person to distribute the intimate image or prohibited visual or recording of another identifiable person without the consent of the person depicted in the intimate image, in respect of which there was a reasonable expectation of privacy. Asem na anitete enyo. Law no de obey abekwa kodem na nuni. Intimate de Mr. IGP anybody who is involved in the distribution of the purported picture ya say wow say whanyo in fact whoever is in it and because the law is clear. See obi share them no mutual picture. There's a reasonable expectation of privacy. Sabi obi nkoda wa abontene wo cycle and obi nkoda wa kramo obi ani obi share them na obi a dem nyina mo ye odem no mu de mark mama to ma pepa Ebi obi obe comment ya before cry wakwa kubu na to pamba. Bia ntokro bi mu nya dan kra mu obi chese dan obi kra no de obi atare wakata na no but obe comment. It's just bad. Section 67 Act 2020 Cyber Security Act and say obi ni obi twa picture when there's a reasonable expectation of privacy wa obe distribute wa obe sheda ma obi e distribute ndi be ma no wo mu na distribute onadamfo bi na distribute obi abedem the way Uncle share video ni there a bedroom by the end of April the IGP bet show be because that's what the law says and 667(2) no say a person who contravenes this section 1 commits an offense and is liable on summary conviction to a term of imprisonment of not less than 1 year and no more than 3 years. Into the 1 year and 3 years over them one required over come. It's just bad. Just na ye distributing ye channel assume senior and one bint okoye then and so assume see and bintini. And then there's another section in the, a phrase 68(1). Or say a person shall not threaten another person to distribute their prohibited image. It to me when say, "Oh, mama sika may distribute it." And no them. A person shall not threaten another person. And no crowd them. Section 68(1). 68(2) no, and so 68(2) no say a person who contravenes this section just no be distribute commits an offense and is liable on summary conviction to a term of imprisonment of not less than 1 year and no more than 3 years. Munyina mo bedem. Makotam kwabrane video photo na mo sha so mesini no obi to atopa. Enye sa aba abonten na mo ka bia. Munyina de mo ye o mo dem no. Say a reasonable expectation of privacy because so bia no privacy. Mumma sister idina. Nanya sa wochna mokoto se wanom bibi mokoto se bibi aye no a ye beta na sister na ye den na ye de ano ye de ano ni adai obi ba ye de ano ni adai obi ba ye mani pa no na
abusia ensam no nyana makuru kire de abrew se ne obohu se ne asem no ekọ ye nyibi mfirimu fa bi enka ho ye ka ne se ne pepepepe allergy ne ye ka na allergy sa pepepe enti de abani nyina no de yada so de ani edi nsem na chi ukoye social media platforms ne so a ubohu de ekọ ene de ba ntino kwaso na mu afidie no enna ha ne wone pa bebre na de ma se ufulo ya ubohu de ekọ ne de ba ha be kwaso de ani edi Serwaa Amihere nsem na chi de be pie bia ba no ye be ma ahwefo ne etiefo nso ehu de ekọ ene de ba before be kra mu amya me kanfo Charistic Company Limited in friend Zarmesha ne Zaraje capsules so de ama se eba infection, bacteria, menstrual disorder, infertility, ulcer, prostate problems, oba, and trauma white, and ka mawase. Kwajim penimfundo bi na bibie ntumi enwie peyo. Zarman capsules ye meme dro tatahwe diamantfo ho adanse titiru grane mema no. Se eba low sperm count. Obema o de boni tim kija na sensenso no sexual weakness brofo kasem sa na ebe frɛ no sisi ya de dru tatahwe dru be saw ya de na bibie atumi adimu na hindi heba mi hye de be 3D ya malaria fever typhoid diabetes so blood pressure no koso yare dom ma matumi abos mi ntumi mo so bia mpanimfo se o de be dru mu ndro bi na be so hwe wa betu ho adanse ye ede amayen edru yi FDA ahwe made atomu se obi obenum bia be bo ne nipadua obandu atu a okofamasi herbal drugstores ebe ma be kempenimfo ndo bi ebia person ni mpenimfo bonko motwetwe nkomo a ofa numbers ne da oskuni so test WhatsApp friend mpenimfo a bibia ebetumi adimu message so ba no subscribe wa share wa comment every bibia wo hwe free ebusua na tumi akoso ayekese ya friend Dan Kwesi Prince nyame eyadoma da se ne ye be send ye hye mu makrao